It's time to get your animations organized. Introducing Keyframe color labels, now available in After Effects. Quickly separate important parts of your animation by tagging keyframes with colors of your choosing. Bringing color to your keyframes helps you identify specific portions of your animation, making them easier to find at first glance in your timeline. Tagging your keyframes prominently allows for better organization in complicated setups. Edit the default colors to get the palette you want to work with. Selection takes a big step forward as keyframes can now be chosen as a group based on the colors assigned to them, including via scripting. Updated UI allows keyframes to stand out more clearly when selected, while still showing their color. Download the latest version of After Effects and bring some color to your timeline with the new Keyframe color labels.